Good morning, guys. I'm just sitting here talking to Red.
Yeah,
He stayed over.
I'm still here.
And, we've been talking for so long about so many different things that I was like, dude, I gotta get something done while we talk. I can't just talk. I need to be practical at the same time. So I'm gonna disassemble these cells, remove the metal tabs from them, and grind them down. Basically, just get them in a condition where you can use them for other projects. I'm gonna salvage these cells, essentially. So yeah, that's how my day's starting out. Already had some breakfast. You know me. I start out the day with eggs and tea.
He did.
Yeah. And you just had some more of these.
Yeah. I'm still drinking.
That's breakfast for you.
It's my fucking breakfast.
Cheers.
Yes.
I'm in the supermarket with Red. I'm gonna hand in all this pen from yesterday. Let's make some money. Let's go. Good evening, guys. I followed Red down here to his home, and he's gonna help. He's gonna let me borrow his Dremel tool, which is a lot more powerful than this shit I got. And in return, he borrowed a tool from me. It's really nice. We're able to help each other out like this. I'm gonna be able to get those fuse holders cut down to size and finally get them fitted in the box itself, and then everything is gonna be mounted and ready for me to go to my cousin, build the cables, finally get this thing finished up. And well, I still have to buy a new USB-C fast charge 280 watt module because I burned this one out because I was stupid and tired and I didn't check the voltage. Yeah, well, everything in electricity is a learning thing, so now I know what not to do. And I'm definitely not going to do that again. But I will have to order one of those. But I know they work. I already tested the one I had. I know they work. As long as the voltages are fine on the wheel. And the box, everything should be good. Yeah. I can't wait. It's going to be so nice. I think I'm going to my cousin on Sunday to finish it up, and then on Monday I'm gonna meet up with a guy I met on the train station who said that he might be able to hook me up with some people who need people that can fix batteries. So things are moving along greatly these days. When I get home, I'm gonna have to take care of some official paperwork shit with this welfare stuff. Ugh, it's so stressful to me, but hey, I gotta get it done. I gotta get some money, not so much for me, more so for my friend who lets me stay. I gotta help him out, man. Like, he's alone paying this rent and I'm the only one living there. I feel bad. Red is such a nice guy and a very appreciative guy. He let me keep all the pen from yesterday when he was hanging out. He likes beers. He had quite a few beers, and he even got some Fanta Exotic for me. Yeah, he let me keep all the bottles. He even just gave me a few more bottles along with the Dremel tool we just picked up from his place. I'm really happy, man. This is a nice guy. Definitely one of the better people Mike has introduced me to. I mean, I hope he comes by and eats dinner with me some more. I liked it. I mean, we were talking a lot, and it's just nice to have someone to eat with. I think he misses the social life and the human activity of eating together. You know, it's such a human activity, and it's something that is, disappearing for a lot of people these days. So it's good to be able to eat communally again. I like it. I don't even mind doing all the cooking and the cleaning because obviously he's willing to help out with buying the food. Hey guys, I just got home from a long walk with Red. It was nice. And then afterwards, while I was out walking with him, I saw this cute girl working in a shop, and I was like, damn, I need to go back and ask for her number, give her my number or something. And after I followed Red home, I went back there, gave her my number, but she was like, I already got a boyfriend. And I was like, well, take it as a compliment then. But then afterwards, I went out on a bottle run. Probably have no business asking girls out being this broke, huh? But yeah, I went on a bottle run, very unsuccessful as you can see, but hey, thanks to all the beer Red drank, I'm gonna be fine. Yeah, that helped out a lot. He also gave me like 35 krona cash. Really nice, dude. I love that. So I'm all good now. I'm just gonna heat up some of this from yesterday. He didn't eat all of his, so I'll have it. And yeah, I guess some tea. I got basically all videos edited outside of yesterday and today. So I finally caught up. Feels good, man. I don't normally give girls my number, but I don't know what's happening with me lately. Maybe I'm down bad. Maybe I'm just finally receptive towards something. Maybe not quite a relationship, but something of an intimate nature. It doesn't have to revolve around sex at all. But yeah, I guess I'm opening up to that idea. I didn't think this day would come. But I guess in a sense, maybe not completely, I'm somewhat ready. But yeah, I'm a bit of a strange type, right? Definitely not what the girls are going for these days, I don't think. But I still like complimenting people, so I don't even take it as a defeat if a girl isn't interested or if she has a boyfriend. Who knows? Maybe she did. But yeah, I don't even perceive it as defeat. I just see it as a nice, what do you call it, opportunity to give an even bigger compliment than I would normally do. So it's all positivity. Guys, I'm telling you, don't listen to the doomer version of Last Christmas. It's too brutal. I just checked it out. Oh shit, man. I'm just eating some leftovers I heated up from yesterday. With some rabulao. Let's go. Dinner time, guys. We're having 5 eggs, not 6 eggs, 5 eggs on 4 pieces of rye bread, and Red got me a Monster for whatever reason. I'm not really a big fan of Monster, but I ain't got no soda, so it'll do. I mean, it's the thought that counts, right? It's very nice of him. He's a good person. He even said he wanted to invite me to celebrate Christmas with him and his family. That's kind of crazy to me. I don't know if he was just drunk, if it'll amount to anything, but I definitely appreciate it. Let's see. I don't mind spending Christmas alone, but it would be nice not having to.